Okay, last one to go over camera. The last little bit I want to go through, I want to go through two things. One is how to do a quick test render, because obviously these trees take up a lot of rendering time. And the other thing I want to talk through is how to set up multiple cameras in multiple scenes. So let's start by doing another camera. I think what I'm going to do is if you click your mouse wheel over on this guy over here, I'm going to set this one to be the top view so I can see what's going on here. And I can zoom in and out and pan with the mouse wheel. If you go under the Create tab, here's Cameras, Vray Physical Camera. It should have the settings of the last camera you used, but if not, just make sure that that white balance is there, that the shutter speed's the one thing, that's all the same as what you were just using. And that it didn't default to another one. If it did, just make sure that these are all the settings that it has. And then I'll just do another camera. I'll do one out here. So I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to click to position the camera and drag to position the target. Click and drag. And then I'll do another one over here maybe. And then maybe I want to do an interior one here. And then maybe I want to do an interior one here. And then I might want to name these. So I might hit my select object, click on this guy, and then I can name it. So I'm going to name that one Exterior 1. That guy Exterior 2. I've got this guy Exterior 3. And then where are my other ones? There's one in here, right? Where do my interior ones go? There. Interior 1. Interior 2. Just going to hit H and make sure I got all of them. Yep, there they all are. So now if I want to toggle between those cameras, I've got one of the things you'll notice is the cameras will come in at 0. You know, they're all right flat on the ground, so we'll have to change that. But we can do that by bringing up each camera here. So we can do right here where it says Exterior 1, I can go to Cameras, go to 2, and raise that up. Maybe center that on the stairs, something like that. Cameras Exterior 3, raise that one up. Not a big fan of where that camera is. Maybe I want to rotate that. Maybe I even want to do something funky like that. That. I kind of like that. And then, let's see, Interior 1. I want to dolly that back a little bit. And I gotta watch over here to make sure I don't go into the wall, right? I'm just gonna make sure I get sort of dollied back like that. And I don't know how I want to do that, but something like that. Interior 2. So you can see how this is a really interesting house relative to, particularly relative to the rule of thirds in camera and photography. So it really sort of challenges that, you know, you might want this to be equal to that or something, or you might want to mess around with where you want that to be. So I'm going to do that. I want to go back to the other. I don't like that Interior 1 camera. I'm going to pan myself over. I like this shot. This is such a cool part of the house. Like that.